When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in turn, we receive incredible loyalty. See, and you'll be amazed. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.